this is primarily a network of universities, but it has its own unique character and personalities. And we also are very delighted that it's ever-expanding network. So we have with us now Chinese institution on board. We have Observer State, a leading Russian institution, Kazan University in Tatarstan, which is one of the leading institutions in the West, and particularly the second largest institution in Russia. So with the presence of these dignitaries, as well as our dear brother, Professor Dr. Niaz Ahmed, representing the public sector institution, the Vice Chancellor of the largest and most prominent institution, Quaid-e-Azam University, and Professor Dr. Aftab, representing a private sector, uniquely different institution, University of FAST. They are here, and along with this, we also have academician Professor Zhao Yufeng. Professor Zhao Yufeng is an iconic personality. She was among the first women scientists inducted in Chinese Academy of Sciences back in 1991 at the age of 42. Now, telling you about the age was not meant to calculate her age today. She remained very young and active, but her contribution in the field of organophosphorus chemistry and origin of life are internationally acclaimed, recognized, and she is among the most accomplished scientists of China. This consortium of excellence is uniquely different from other university networks because the core objective of this consortium is to help others who cannot really, who need to be supported in OIC worlds, who inter-Islamic cooperation by using the collective strength of high-quality educational institution, we would really like to handhold and uplift the educational infrastructure, human capacity, and institutional building in 57 OIC member states. I would leave this discussion for the last session, which is going to be moderated by Professor Dr. Niaz and Professor Dr. Aftab. Let me take you to a brief introduction of COMSTEC. And COMSTEC is the Ministerial Standing Committee, is a permanent committee of 57 ministers. And the core objective is to develop the edifice of scientific and technological cooperation in 57 countries. It is the only intergovernmental organization which is chaired by Pakistan, and the chairman of COMSTEC is the president of Pakistan. General Assembly comprised of 57 ministers of member states, OIC member states in 4 continents. So it is a very high-level OIC institution, premier both its function, magnitude, and contributions. This is the kind of General Assembly takes place. The next one is planned in 2025, June this year, and this is going to be a major event in which we will discuss how the Muslim world, along with our well-wishers, the observer state, and special representative states such as China and India, China and Russia would be able to contribute in science, technology, higher education.
I want to share some proposal experience, some cooperation between China, Pakistan, and OIC countries in the field of traditional medicine. I come from Ningbo University. As a first, I will give very brief information about about my institute, Institute of Drug Discovery Technology, which is located in Ningbo University in Zhejiang Province. Academician Zhao Zhifeng is our director. There are 42, the 4 members with the 8 professors and associate professors There are 3 research centers in our institute. First one is phosphorus chemistry and the original life, targeted on the space life science. The second one is AI and the bioinformatics, which uses the AI technology to make the drug research. The third one is herbal medicine and space medicine, which target drug discovery from the herbal medicine plants, which I'm responsible for this research centers. This was some instrument I put to show. It's advanced, I can say, it's advanced instrument to identify the chemical components, to the metabolic and the molecular biological instrument. The one is special, we can say special instrument. We have the simulated microgravity experiment, which is for the space medicine, for the space life science research.
It is honor for me and great pleasure to present Comstack Interlibrary Network. Comstack Interlibrary Network is a new initiative of Comstack for resource sharing among libraries of OIC member states. Comstack Interlibrary Network is a consortium whereby the participating and collaborating libraries share their resources among them.